Dear student, in IPSC, today we are discussing acid anhydride. Acid anhydride. The representation of acid anhydride RCO, single bond OCOR. The suffix of acid anhydride is oic anhydride. The suffix of acid anhydride. But oic anhydride used when the carbons of acid anhydride are bonded. But in case of carbons not bonded, then use a special suffix, that is carboxylic anhydride. Carboxylic anhydride. Dear student, the formation of acid anhydride. How do the acid anhydride form? Dear student, acid anhydride form from carboxylic acid. When we take a two molecule of carboxylic acid and heat the from one carboxylic acid OH and other from other H, remove in the form of H2O and convert in acid anhydride. Okay, convert into acid anhydride. That means carboxylic acid on heating remove their waters and convert into acid anhydride. Okay, student. But here a point noted: naming of anhydride depends on name of carboxylic acid from which it's synthesized. Okay, for example, here example are given. In this example, acid anhydride are given, but for understanding from which acid this anhydride is formed, you separate this and this. You observe here, this is ethanoic acid and it also ethanoic acid. That is, this anhydride obtained from ethanoic acid. So right here ethanoic acid, because it obtained from ethanoic acid, and here anhydride is present, so right here ethanoic anhydride. Okay, student. Next example. In this example, when you separate this and this, you observe here ethanoic acid, here single carbon means methanoic acid. So the name is ethanoic because in 8 E come before methanoic acid young in alphabet. So first write ethanoic, then methanoic anhydride. Okay, now separate here. In this compound 1, 2, 3 carbons means propanoic acid, and in this here 1, 2 carbon ethanoic acid. This anhydride obtained from propanoic acid and ethanoic acid. So name propanoic and ethanoic. Ethanoic E come before propanoic P. So write ethanoic propanoic anhydride. Okay, student. I think you understand about acid anhydride or nomenclature of acid anhydride. Okay, student. Now discuss ester. The representation of ester is ROCOR. That means RCOOR. Okay, student. The suffix of ester is OH and a special suffix of ester is carboxylate, and prefix of ester is alkyl oxy or alkoxycarbonyl. Okay, student. In the name of for the naming ester, the carbons or alkyl group which attach with the oxygen in ester is named as alkyl, and alkyl group which attach with carbonyl, that is CO, is known as alkanoate. So the writing format of the name is alkyl alkanoate. First write alkyl, then alkanoate. For example, in this example, this carbon alkyl group attached with the oxygen. So first write their name. One carbon is methyl. So first we write methyl here. Okay, student. Now this alkyl group attached with carbonyl, so it treated as alkanoate. The name of this group 1,2 carbon ethanoate. So the name of this compound methyl ethanoate. Take a screenshot. Take a screenshot and write in your notebook. Dear student, now discuss more example. In this example, CH3 attached with oxygen. So write the name of CH3 is methyl. The name of CH3 is methyl, and here single carbon, so it known as methanoate. Methanoate. Okay. Now here CH3. So right here methyl, and 1, 2, 3. At second position bromo present. So right here second bromo. Number of carbons 1, 2, 3. Propanoate. Okay. Now discuss here. In this compound, here ester is present, and here carboxylic group present. The priority of the carboxylic group is greater than the priority of ester. So we use carboxylic group as principal functional group and ester as a substituent. You know that principal functional group have the group which treated as principal functional group retain their suffix, and the group which is treated as substituent retain their prefix. In this compound, the counting starts from carboxylic carbon 1, 2, 3. At the third position, substituent ester is present. The prefix of these substituents, you know that the prefix is alkanoyl loxy. So right here 1, 2 carbon, so ethanoyl oxy. At the third position ethanoyl oxy, and number of carbon 1, 2, 3, so propanoic acid. Okay, student. Now here again two groups are present. One is ester and other is carboxylic group. You know that the priority of carboxylic group is greater than the priority of ester. So use this group as a principal functional group and write their suffix, and use this group as a substituent and write their prefix. So here the prefix of this group, firstly count the carbons from the carboxylic carbons 1, 2, 3. At the third position methyl, here methyl, here methyl group is present. So right here third methoxy carbonyl, name of CO is carbonyl here. methyl, so write here methyl. Third methyl, here carbonyl, so write here carbonyl. And here 1, 2, 3 carbons, so write here propanoic acid. Okay, take a screenshot and write down in your notebook and solve the questions given in your NCERT class 11 and class 12th, part 2, chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3 and chapter 4. Thank you very much.